Hey everyone, Cruiser here. If you love off-roading, you already know that having the right tires can make or break your ride. Today we're talking about why tires are such a game changer and why XPS tires are built specifically to get the most out of your Can-Am vehicle. XPS offers a full lineup of tires designed to fit your Can-Am perfectly. These aren't just any tires. XPS and Can-Am join forces during the design process to make sure they enhance your vehicle's performance. Each tire goes through extreme testing to meet the same high standards as your Can-Am machine, meaning they're made to work seamlessly with your ride. So when you slap on a set of XPS tires, you know you're getting the best fit and performance possible. If you spend as much time in the mud as we do, then the Swamp King XL will be your best friend. These tires are specifically engineered for the toughest, gnarliest, muddiest conditions. Here's what makes them great. Extended shoulder tread for maximum traction in deep ruts that help eject mud quickly and keep your sidewalls protected. Lug spacing for debris ejection. The wider spacing between the lugs helps kick out mud and rocks so your tires stay clean and keep gripping the terrain. Bias ply construction. Unlike radial tires, these are built lighter and softer, which improves grip and handling in extreme conditions. Massive lug height. The Swamp King XL has the tallest lugs in the Swamp King family. More height means easier time tackling ruts, roots, and those hidden obstacles lurking beneath the mud. At the end of the day, your tires are what connect you to the terrain. With XPS tires, especially the Swamp King XL, you get a tire that's built to work with your Can-Am vehicle, giving you better performance, better grip, and a whole lot more confidence on the trail. So, if you're ready to take on the mud, you know what to do. Get yourself a set of Swamp King XLs and go make some tracks.